Hey guys, I am back with my lentil soup recipe, and today I will be showing you how I make it from scratch. Yes, so I have my pot and I'm gonna add some olive oil. I'm going to let that heat up for a minute, and then I will be adding my onion, my carrot, and my celery. I'm going to mix that up, guys, and let that steam in for a minute. Let that saute for a minute. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and add my garlic, some bay leaf, some fresh basil, and dry oregano. So I let that cook for 2 minutes, and then I am going to go ahead and put my lentil in there, and I'm gonna mix it up. It's mixed up, and I'm going to go ahead and add my 8 cups of water. Crushed tomato. Mix it up and let it cook for 1 hour. And then cook for 1 hour. After cooking for 1 hour, then I had my spinach, some salt, and some black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. After adding my spinach, salt, and pepper and vinegar, I went ahead and had a little bit of rosemary and a little bit of thyme. And yes, I forget to video all of that. And I let it cook for another 5 minutes, and then that was it. After cooking for 5 more minutes, I was ready to eat, and that was healthy and delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you find this soup delicious like I did. And thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You never know what I'll post next, guys. Thank you all for subscribing.